Hello and welcome to part 10 on how to create animated light ribbons using Blender. We ended part 9 with rendering our animation to PNG files. And in this last part of the tutorial we're going to use the video sequence editor to glue the PNGs together into a movie file. To do this I'm going to start another instance of Blender, because if I were to use the one I'm in now, it has a tendency to mess up the render settings. Alternatively, you could close the current project and start a new one. Alright, let's switch to the video sequence editor. Next we'll want to add the PNG files that were created previously. So click Add and select Image. Then navigate to the output folder where your PNGs were saved. For me it was in the temp folder. Here you can press A and it will select all of the PNGs. Then click on Add Image Strip. Now we have our image strip containing all 4,320 frames. Next we'll want to set our render resolution percentage scale to 100% and set the rendering end frame to 4,320. Under Output we have multiple options. In most cases I would select FF-MPEG Video, expand encoding, and change contains to MPEG-4. You can also select from multiple codecs and change the output quality. This time around I am going to try AVI RAW, just because I've never done that one before. And that's it, we're all set up. Click Animation and Blender will combine all of your PNGs into a single movie, and will save it to your output folder. Rather than making you wait for mine to render, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a bit. Alright, rendering is now complete. Time to browse to my temp folder and see how it looks. And there it is. Alright, that concludes this tutorial on how to create light ribbons in Blender. I hope you found it to be useful. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll go ahead and let the full video play through to the end. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.